Hello and welcome to 5 Minutes in the Shed episode. I have no idea, I've lost track. So, continuing the theme of doing little bits and stuff, getting everything ready for a little bit of sublet work actually. And the sublet work I'll go into in more detail when I get there. But one thing I wanted to do before I start a bit of sublet is fix my cylinder head. The cylinder head has got a little chip on one of the fins. Not perfect, I've lived with it for many years, but it needs fixing. Let me show you. Okay, so this is the cylinder head, right? And many years ago, I broke a fin off, and that was this fin here, right? And you can see about there where there was a previous repair where this was welded back on. But there's a piece missing, right? And that's this little piece here, as you can see. We'll bring you in for an extreme close-up. There's an extreme close-up. So I'm not happy about that. I want to fix that, right? So I spoke to a guy just up the road from me who does repairs to aluminium engines, a TIG welder. And he said he's going to smooth this out and build that back up, make that a bit better, and he's going to fix that gap for me. So that's where I'm going to go this evening. I'm going to take it round and see what he can do with it. Okay, so I'm here with Nige at Quality Aluminium TIG Welding. See if we can get your sign in there, Nige, if you want to say hello.
Hey, how you doing? You alright? Yeah, welcome to Quality. This is where we make all your welding dreams a reality. We teach people how to do aluminium TIG welding for restoration jobs. We teach people how to basically do whatever they want. If they've got classic bike repairs, fin repairs, then yeah, why send them to me to repair when you can do them yourself?
Right. Brilliant. So we're going to be like a bit of a spy cam and watch Nige do his stuff with my cylinder head.
How we're going to start now is we've got to clean the area where we're going to weld, and we're going to put a prep on a part that we're going to be welding up. So when we come to clean it, there's enough for us to take off, and you've got no undercut as well. So here we go. I'm going to put a prep on the part as well, put a bevel on it. And we put a copper plate on the bottom because aluminium don't stick to copper as well. So we can put as much heat as we want and it'll just sink straight to the bottom without giving us excessive penetration that we've got to clean off. So we're good to go, let's start welding. As you can see, we built the whole area up. It sank all the way to the bottom to the plate, and we've got more than enough to be able to clean off now at the top and at the side. So like we said before, the last thing you want to do is have undercut to make it shallow and for your weld to break as soon as it breaks off. So what we're going to do now is just let it cool down just for 1 minute, and then we'll take the weld off. Just get down to the cleaning process. Use a bit of tallow. It stops the pad cleaning up, and also it eats through the material so much quicker. make sure you keep the pad really flat because you don't want to gouge or take too much out of it. You keep it flat, keeps it a nice smooth finish. Go. Don't take everything off you need until you've done the other side as well now, because if I take too much off there, just means I've got to put a bit more weld on. So I'll take it down to just enough at the moment, and then I'll start cleaning that side, and then we'll look at the inside bit again. That's it. So if you look there, quite a nice shape there. Perfect shape we want. As you can see,
Like a new one.
it's easy as that.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm back home in my own shed. I'll put my lights on, and I'll move some of this stuff around a little bit here, and move this over here and here and here. And let's see if you can see. No. Oh, hang on. Let's just move that down a bit there. There we go. Here's the cylinder head post repair. What a lovely chap Nige is. Great guy. So yeah, he has like an interesting USP. So his thing is that if you want something fixing on your bike, you go around and you sit down with him and you both put a welding helmet on, and he teaches you how to weld, and you weld your own parts. Great idea. And he's got a lovely shed. Lovely guy. Yeah, he's done a cracking job on this for me. I also want to mention that in beginning of December, he's doing a big charity thing, and he's doing a 24-hour weldathon, right? So which is pretty impressive. I don't know if I could sit there welding for 24 hours. I'm going to put in the description for this video, I'm going to put his LinkedIn channel information where he does videos about welding and stuff like that, and he's going to be advertising his 24-hour weldathon there. So if you need something welding, be a great time to, and you're in the Midlands of the UK and you want to go and get something welded up, join in his weldathon. Go at 3 o'clock in the morning, take your cylinder head in and do a bit of welding on it. It'd be great. I'm sure he'd appreciate it. So yeah, thanks Andy. Nige, sorry, thanks Nige for a great job on the cylinder head. It looks brilliant. I'm really happy with it. When this is all vapor blasted with new guides in, it's going to look proper sweet. That's been broken since the 90s, so I'm very pleased that that's in a good condition now. Thanks for watching everybody. Back to the standard kind of format in the next video. Cheers.